Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy gift cards in Ikea. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you're in the home page, you should look in the bottom of your screen and press on your account section there. Now you can just look in the top of your right corner and press on the settings. You can just scroll down here and press on gift cards and refund cards. And you can just press on buy gift cards and you can just wait until the new page loads in. Once that is done, here you can just find gift cards. You can just press on buy now and you can select the price for which you want to buy the gift card. So you can just select the $25, $50, $100 and you can just select it to buy for somebody else or for yourself. You can just do that, and after that you can also choose a predefined message if you're selecting it to somebody else. You can just fill it out yourself as well. You don't need to necessarily choose it because, like you can see right now, I can't really choose anything for some reason. So in that case you can just write down that predefined message yourself, and after that you can just simply fill out the details of the person that you're going to send the gift card for. So first name, last name, email, and email once again, and after that you can select the delivery date and press on add to shopping cart. You can also send it for yourself. In this case you just need the first name and the last name. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.